In a perfect world, cake would actually make you skinnier, but unfortunately, 9 times out of 10, this is not the case. But what if it was? Our next guest specialises in delicious and healthy treats with surprise veggie ingredients. Please welcome the healthy chef, Teresa Cutter. Hello,
Hi guys.
Teresa.
Hey.
So,
Great to be on the show.
are we making one of these miracle skinny cakes today?
A miracle skinny cake, my red velvet cake, my chocolate red velvet cake. Chocolate, beetroot and olive oil. Fantastic. The
Wow.
three best ingredients.
Chocolate,
All right.
beetroot and olive oil. Okay.
You can't live without those three. I can't anyway.
All right, so,
So I'll get
how do we
started.
start?
Okay, well, I'm going to get started on the cake mix.
Yes.
While I get you two to work on the frostings, because
Okay.
you can have two lots of frostings. You can have a chocolate or a beautiful yogurt frosting.
Okay, which one am I doing?
So you're doing the gorgeous chocolate frosting with the avocado, and we're going to put the avocado into the blender
Yep.
with some cocoa powder and a little bit of maple syrup, and that's it. You're going to be blending it all up.
Okay, I can do that.
And Carrie Ann, you're just going to be putting a little splash of maple
Okay.
into
this
there.
is maple, and this is?
This is strained yogurt.
Strained yogurt.
It's labna. So you just strain Greek-style yogurt
Yeah.
overnight, and overnight it just gets thick and rich and gorgeous and
When you
creamy.
say strain it.
No, you don't need to strain it though.
No, but how do you strain it?
Oh, through a muslin or through a strainer, one of those.
And so you just put the whole Greek yogurt
put
in
the whole
there.
Greek yogurt in, and overnight it just strains and drips down, and so you get all this beautiful, thick, rich, lovely yogurt. You can also buy it.
'Cause
as
I
Can
well.
you buy it already
Greek-
done?
Yeah, you can buy it
Yeah,
already.
yeah,
Oh, okay. And how
I'll put
much
a bit
of
of
this?
just a little nice swig. That's fine.
Now-
And then a little bit of vanilla.
Okay.
You know, really,
Now I'm going to
truly-
make the cake mix
Yeah.
at the same time.
And you're going to show us how cake can actually be healthy. How can it be?
This is
really?
healthy. So you've got beautiful almond meal here.
Right.
Gorgeous, gorgeous, high protein. It's gluten-free as well.
Yep.
And you've got 4 lovely organic eggs in here.
So almond meal.
Meal. So
Meal.
it's just ground almonds.
Oh, okay. You buy that as well.
You can buy that, yeah. You can, or
Gee,
you
it'd
can
be
make it
hard
yourself. You can
milling
make it.
a whole bunch of almonds.
No, you can do it in a blender.
Okay.
You can do it in a blender. And now look at this, half a cup of extra virgin olive oil in
Yeah.
here, which is wonderful. And I'm going to do the same with you can use honey or a bit of maple syrup as well.
And this is the healthy one, the skinny one.
This is the skinny one. It's half the sugar, it's gluten-free, and it's totally delicious. Now, in here, I'll tell you what I've done.
Yeah, what is that?
This is 100% beetroot, roasted beetroot puree. So basically, I've roasted the beetroots for about an hour, and I've just pureed them in my blender, and it's gorgeous. You can put some red wine in there too. It'd be beautiful as
Isn't
well.
that going to change the flavour? Isn't it going to taste like beetroot?
It'll be rich and gorgeous and creamy.
Okay.
You know what you could do, Carrie Ann? If you can make a pink icing too. Just give that a stir. See if that does anything.
Okay.
Yeah. Just
So
a
I'll
little.
put my cocoa and my avocado in.
Cocoa avocado.
that?
Throw that in. That's a little bit of coconut milk. You can even use almond milk in there as well. Now
And I needed some maple syrup in this too, I think.
you need some maple syrup, so you need about half a cup of maple.
Thank you,
And here I'm just putting 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder. And I can't forget, this is going to help it rise.
Why do you use baking powder?
This helps to make the cake light and fluffy and help it rise.
Okay.
And look at this, half a gorgeous cup of my beetroot puree
Okay.
as well. You can even put some puree in there too, but you don't really want to do that.
Let's not overdo it.
No,
Let's
we
go
won't
there.
overdo it.
So
I'm going to give...
one of your specialties is obviously hiding veggies, because that's what we're doing
Yes.
here.
You
And
do this with carrots too.
Is that what you do it for kids, so that they're getting veggies, or how do you come up with the recipes?
No, it's just for health benefits. You know,
Yeah.
veggies add moisture. So something like a pureed beetroot or pureed carrot will add moisture. It'll add flavour and complexity and density to the whole cake. Isn't that gorgeous?
That is really nice.
Oh my God. Okay. So you've got that.
Yep.
Fantastic. We're going to turn it on. I'm going to put it on high, and you're just going to tamper that.
Which means, I can do that. Bang it around a bit.
Bang it around a bit. Oh my God, that looks so
Is that
nice.
good noise for TV?
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
okay. Now I'm going to give mine a mix. And I'm also going to put some chocolate in there as well. A little bit more. A little bit more, Angela. Just a tiny bit more.
Okay.
So, isn't it divine? That looks
It is
so nice
divine.
for cupcakes as well. Kids will love this. You put some little raspberries on there.
Again, when you put the chocolate in there,
Yeah. Just a good cocoa powder.
okay,
Just
naked chocolate.
It is. Help you get naked.
So,
yeah.
I mean,
This is good for menopause, by the way, this cake. I've just been eating it myself.
Okay. How many calories for a slice of this cake compared to when you use eggs and flour and sugar?
Well, it's normally got a lot of a traditional red velvet cake has got a lot of refined white flour, refined white sugar, red food colouring, and not the actual beetroot itself. So, and it's just elevating your blood sugars. It's probably got double the amount of calories.
Double the amount of calories. Okay.
But this one here, you know, it's lower in sugar. It's got really good healthy fats
Well, you
in
don't
there.
have any sugar in there, do you?
Well, I don't, but I do have a little bit of maple.
syrup.
That's still
So
classified
how
as
many
sugar.
calories in a slice of this, do you reckon?
Oh, look, I think about 250.
And what would be in a normal
250?
slice of chocolate cake?
Depending on how it's made, but normally around
How
about.
big it is?
I don't know. I'm
Does
not
it
into.
matter when you take a little slither off the side?
Look,
you
I'm
know, when
not-
you just have a slither just for a taste and then you have another sliver later.
You
Because
know,
that doesn't always count.
you can have double the amount of this cake, I reckon.
Okay.
Okay, now you
That
And
would be
it's-
defeating the purpose, but
No, but we're getting all those vegetables.
Oh, yeah.
Getting all those
You're
extra
getting the
veg-
healthy fats. It's good for your heart, good for your menopausal symptoms, good for everything. There you go.
okay.
So how long
So-
does that go in the oven for?
Right. So this is going to go in the oven for around about 45 minutes.
Okay.
And you're going to bake it for 45 minutes in an oven, 160 degrees, fan forced. And what's going to happen, excuse me, Kerry, just going to lift it. Okay, so I've made these in two little separate cakes, but you're going to get these beautiful little cakes. You're going to get one big cake from here. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to frost it. Can I taste your ice?
Yeah, see if I did all right.
Do you want to taste it?
Yes.
Have a little taste. I'm going to taste yours, actually.
Okay, mine is very good.
Oh, wow, this is
Mine's
divine.
Okay, so shall we do this one in the break?
I think we shall. We're going to get a proper taste of the cake when we've done it. But first, let's check in with Jono. Now, let's taste this healthy cake. I'm putting some fruit on, which, of course,
Okay.
makes it even more healthy. So it's...
And you're
yes.
suggesting
A little-
salt, rock
a little,
salt.
bit, a little bit of sea salt, yeah, flake sea salt. It's gorgeous.
Why does that work?
It just blends well with the chocolate. It brings out the flavour. It's
Okay.
fantastic.
Okay, so we've got the avocado chocolate frosting one I made, and Cac, yours was the yogurt.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's that one there. Oh, Zach!
Oh my God.
Oh, a lucky day,
Okay.
Zach.
Hi. Now, remember earlier I made a cake, which is just cake mix, put it in the oven with Diet Coke. Now,
yes,
all
the
you have
Coca-Cola
to
one.
tell me, Zach, is which one's better? Zach, which one is better?
Actually,
Better than the other cake? Which one's better?
Now, I made all the frosting
know-
on that one, Zach. I made that frosting. How good's that frosting?
I know where you live. Okay.
okay, give it a go.
Oh.
Tell me what you think.
Oh,
Actually,
Oh,
this is
okay.
you like that one?
Yeah, I like the yogurt.
Yeah, the yogurt.
Which is great.
Actually, you can even put a dollop of this one on there.
Ooh, that's the pink.
That's the
with
one that you
beetroot.
made.
So it's rich and it's fluffy and it's moist and it's beautiful, and there's no actual beetroot that you can taste.
No added sugar.
It's look, it's low in sugars, low in saturated fats, really high nutrition, and really, really good for you.
Yeah.
Yummy.
Teresa, I think you've nailed it. Teresa's new cookbook, Healthy Baking,
But I'm not
is
bad.
out now.
Come on, I made a
sorry.
cake.
Yeah, you made two cakes. Well, you've made a cake and frosted a cake
Yeah.
today.
Hey.
You are a culinary genius, Kat.
Look, I've heard it
Put it up.
before, so relax. It's all
Well,
right.
wait for your cookbook. In the meantime, we go to Teresa's, and you can get more information at healthychef.com.au. Oh, no, just .com. Please thank Teresa.
Thanks a lot, guys.
Beautifully done.
Thank you.